Hello friends, welcome to my creative, innovative and popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on Flask with React.js. As we have gone through few videos on Flask with React.js such as Flask connection to React.js, then login tutorial using Flask with React.js, then we have seen Flask with MySQL using insert operation with using React.js and many more. Today's video is really important because without this video the web development with Node and React and Angular is not possible. We have gone through many videos on CRUD operation with Node and MySQL. We have gone through many videos on CRUD operation with Node and MongoDB. We have also gone through many videos on one stack, full stack, and also with AngularJS, Node with AngularJS, and many more. Today's video is about CRUD operation using Node and MySQL with React.js. So let us go through the program first. This is the part. I have been struggling a lot for connectivity. Different packages need to be installed. I had a lot of videos on CRUD operation, but it was done using Node and React. Many more videos. One stack, full stack. But here, full stack with Flask with React.js. So now I will execute the backend part which is required. Yes, backend started successfully. Flask has been started. Now React. Now we can see here my screen is displayed in front of you. So I will create account. First name Anil, last name Kapoor, email so this is the screen of Flask with React.js. So Anil has been created, but it has added at the last since it is MySQL. Now I will update Shah Rukh Khan. Instead of Shah Rukh Khan, I will add Amir Khan. Yes, updation has been done successfully. Creation Anil Kapoor has been done successfully. Updation. Now I will delete. Yes, deletion is successfully. So I successfully done with CRUD operation using Flask and MySQL with React.js. I will be back with more and more innovative videos on Flask with React.js, then Fast API with React.js and many more. You can also watch my videos of Flask with Python, with web development, with machine learning, with attendance system, and Flask with MySQL with machine learning, that is logging system and these. And so for latest update about Python, Node.js, React.js and many more, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.